What if you could stock your shelves today, but not pay until your products have already started selling? That's exactly what Faire's 60-day payment terms make possible for independent retailers like you. Here's how it works. When you place an order on Faire, we won't charge your payment method for 60 days. That window gives your new inventory time to move off the shelves before the bill ever comes due. And once you pay an invoice, that amount goes straight back into your available balance, so you can order even more inventory. Think of it less like taking on debt and more like a smarter way to manage your cash. Every product in your store has 60 days to pay its rent on your shelves. And with the right sales and merchandising strategy, by the time the invoice arrives, many retailers find it already has. Here are 3 key reasons to use Faire's 60-day payment terms for your store. First, using our payment terms can help you stock up ahead of the holiday rush without draining cash reserves. Second, with 60-day payment terms, you can take a chance on new brands and products without the pressure of immediate sales performance. And third, buy deeper into bestsellers so you never run short when demand spikes. Best of all, the process is simple. Faire automates your inventory payments, so there's no risk of a missed invoice, and your payments are processed through one card, so you can consolidate expenses in one place. Your inventory should work for you. With Faire's 60-day payment terms, it can. Sign up today and find your next bestseller.